Those are the new seats, the new chairs. Oof, they're a little heavy for an old man, but not too bad. Shop number 3. I'm opening the shop. I gotta put everything together. This is my first chair. I'm gonna time that and see how long it takes because I got 8 more. Woohoo! Here it is. Come and be the first one to sit on that. We're waiting for you. I got 3 for this room under the lights and another 5 for the other room. Nice. And hold this one so it doesn't fall. Wow.
Stuff on this all day long.
You do?
Yes.
I don't believe you. Oh, don't move, don't move. We got it.
He's so much faster with a Mercedes than he is with a chair.
Oh, so after I'm done, you come and help me, so it looks like you've done it. Es fácil. He's done. I just have to put the covers. Whoa, 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 whoa. People died for less than that. Oh. Wow. How much I owe you guys? $4,000? Just swipe my card, bud. Something fell. What was that?
That was a screw.